Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I'm out in the backyard here in the California house, in amongst the orchard here, and I want to talk to you about this one tree here. Now, we planted it about 9, maybe 10 years ago, and it's an apricot tree. And for the first many years, we didn't get anything off of it, and then we started getting like, a dozen or 2 dozen apricots, and that was it. Then last year we got a whole mess of apricots, comparatively speaking. And then this year we have 20, 30 times that amount. So this is the tree here. We got apricots all over the place on it. Head over this way here. Look at all these apricots down here. This is just down low. Start going up higher, we got more and more and more. And the ones at the top have already been ripening and falling off down here on the ground. We pick up every couple hours to come out and we pick up apricots. And they're all over inside here on the ground. And every time a bird lands on a branch, apricots fall. Every time one of the squirrels tries to climb the tree, apricots fall. So we got apricots coming out our ears. And for the last week I've been eating about 20 apricots a day. Just on the ones that are falling down. We've given away, several hundred apricots so far to neighbors and friends and everything. Right now, what we're doing is this used to be my mother's dehydrator, and she passed away in 2008. And last night, or yesterday afternoon, we kicked it in gear. My wife, so she consolidated these. We had every other shelf loaded with apricots, and these, even that's still a little soft and chewy. So they've shrunk down quite a bit, but these are the ones she did this morning. So we got 3 rows she did this morning, and these other 3 are consolidated from what was done yesterday, or started yesterday. And so that's probably, she consolidated 5 shelves into, I think she did 6 shelves into 3. And then she did another 3 this morning. And so when these other top 3 are done, she'll probably consolidate again, and we'll get a whole bunch more apricots put in there. One of the things I want to point out using this is that if you expect to get fruit off a fruit tree when you first plant it, or the first couple of years, forget it. I said it probably took 5 years before we were getting more than 1 or 2 apricots. And like I said, it's been like 9 or 10 years now, and we're getting a lot of apricots now. So if you want to be getting apricots, oranges, apples, cherries, whatever, in the future, you need to plant that tree now. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please click the red button down below that says subscribe. When it turns gray, a little bell pop up next to it. Click on it. That makes sure that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, if you know anybody that might like these type of videos, please share it out to them. You can use social media or whatever. Don't forget, thumbs up, helps me out with YouTube's analytics. Alrighty, so everyone, remember, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, plant a garden, and we'll see you the next time around. Take care.